renewable energy stocks, a Wall Street rally led by Tesla, and a bold move from the UAE on the global real estate stage. And later in our deep dive, we'll examine whether China's brand new K-Visa could pull top tech talent away from the United States. Welcome to Finance Pulse, and here are the top headlines of the day. In Europe, Danish renewable energy giant Ørsted saw its shares soar as much as 12% on Tuesday. The rally followed a US federal judge's decision to lift a Trump administration ban on the company's nearly completed Revolution wind project. This ruling effectively gives Ørsted the green light to resume work on the offshore wind farm, a project that had been abruptly halted just last month. For President Trump, it marks a legal setback. He has long been a vocal critic of wind farms, describing them as ugly, unreliable and expensive, and he has leaned heavily on US agencies to block their expansion. But for Ørsted, Tuesday's ruling sent a powerful signal to investors that one of its biggest US projects is back on track. Meanwhile, in the US, Tesla is once again in the spotlight. The electric car maker's stock notched a new closing high for 2025, ending Tuesday's session at just over $434 per share. That's nearly 2% higher on the day and above the previous high set in mid-January. It marks Tesla's ninth gain in the last 10 trading sessions, part of a broader rally fueled by renewed optimism around the company's push toward full self-driving technology. Investors appear to be brushing aside a rocky start to the year, choosing instead to focus on the future of autonomous vehicles and the company's ability to stay ahead. And from Wall Street to London, a new UAE player is making waves. Sharjah-based developer Arada has acquired a 75% stake in Britain's Regal in a deal valued at nearly $681 million. This marks Arada's second international expansion after entering the Australian market last year. Regal, now set to be rebranded as Arada London, brings with it a portfolio of 11 projects totaling 10,000 properties. For Arada, this is more than just a real estate deal. It's a strategic diversification move, placing the UAE developer firmly on the map in one of the world's most competitive property markets. Now to our deep dive, the high-stakes battle for global talent. For decades, the US has been the top destination for global talent in science and technology, thanks to its H-1B visa program. But that reputation is under pressure. The Trump administration's shock move to raise application fees and intensify scrutiny of visa holders has left many professionals uncertain about their future. Now, China is stepping in with an alternative. From October 1, Beijing will launch the K-Visa designed for young STEM professionals. Unlike existing visas, it offers flexible entry, longer stays, and the freedom to start businesses, all without needing a Chinese employer. The visa ties into national talent programs targeting scientists under 45. By focusing on younger innovators, China hopes to fuel its next wave of growth. Analysts say the timing could work in Beijing's favor, with Washington tightening immigration rules and reviewing 55 million visas for violations. Many workers face uncertainty in the US. That could make China's new pathway more appealing, even if it doesn't yet rival the prestige of the H-1B. So the real question is, as the US raises barriers and China opens doors, could the global race for talent and the future of innovation be shifting towards Beijing? That's all in for today's Finance Pulse. Follow the Finance 360 for more updates.